Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Chloeana. I go by Chloe sometimes, and my hair is perfect, period. Like, I'm not even gonna front, my hair looks really good. So in today's video, I try a new curlsmith combo. I'm actually trying one of these products for the first time, and you can see that my results are perfect. If you'd like to see what those two products are, keep on watching. Okay, so I just rinsed out my deep conditioner, and now I'm gonna be adding my leave-in conditioner, which is the curlsmith curl conditioning oiling cream. So I used this before, but I don't know, I feel like I didn't get the results that I wanted, so I'm gonna use it again. It's a pretty thick cream, like it's pretty thick, so I don't think I need to use a lot. I want my hair to be pretty defined, so oops. I need to post on Instagram, so hold on.
Perfect.
So for my second product, I'm going to be using the Curlsmith Miracle Shield just to protect my hair. And just work that through all of my hair. Alright, I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of the leave-in to my ends, just a little bit, you know, the vibes. And then I'm gonna add the gel. Okay, so it says that this is a level 10 extreme hold gel, so let's see. Oh, okay, so let me use a little bit. Oh, it's pretty thick. Okay, that's pretty, yeah, I can see how that's gonna give me a lot of hold. It kind of feels rubbery, if that makes sense, so let me use a little bit more of the cream. I'm so used to like gels that are pretty, you know, watery. I like those types of gels for my hair because I feel like they just do the job, you know. That feels pretty good. Just scrunch. Okay, it's definitely moisturized. I will say this gel definitely needs a lot of moisture. So I don't think I would be able to use it by itself, you know. Okay, I definitely will say that my skin feels, not my skin, oh my gosh, my hair, it definitely feels like I'm gonna have quite a bit of hold. It kind of feels rubbery, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna apply it to all of my hair, and then I'll share with you guys, I guess.
Perfect.
Okay, done. I applied all of the product. I will say, like I did say before, I don't know, there's just something about the gel so far. I don't know, it sort of feels like plastic, you know. I don't know if it's, you know, the like the filler, the thickener or whatever in it, but yeah, looks. So I'm just gonna use another clip and just clip here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the diffuser and diffuse my hair. Okay, so I just finished drying my hair. I used the Curlsmith Frizz diffuser, and I have some thoughts. My hair is a bit heavy, so I definitely tell it's gonna last a few days, which is not bad, but I don't know, it's a bit greasy, just a bit, like every time I touch my hair. Okay, maybe not every time I touch my hair, but when I touch the middle of my hair, it's definitely greasy. I don't hate it, but I'm just gonna put it under the scarf for right now and just let my hair, you know, breeze out and stuff. But it's pretty heavy, and that's not a bad thing, but I definitely need to give it some air, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll come back tomorrow. So I just finished stretching my hair. My hair looks absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I'm just gonna sleek this part back a little bit. Okay, so I just finished with all of my hair. This is definitely gonna become one of my favorite combos. I really like the gel a lot. It's definitely stronghold. I wouldn't say it's a 10 for me personally. I don't know if it's because I use the cream and this is heavy and this has a lot of oils and butters in it, but I really like this, and I'm definitely gonna use it again with one of their leave-ins, like something lighter. This, like, I really like it. Like, I'm not even gonna front. It's very thick, and I don't know, I'm gonna try it for a one product wash and go and see if I get better results than using it with another product. But my hair, as you can see, looks very good. Like, I'm not even gonna, you know, act like this is not one of the best wash and goes I've gotten in a while. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.